You'll see that we got two buttons at the top that make it really easy to choose the type of tuning that you're working with. You can go from natural.
And I won't go nowhere without you. I designed my life around you.
Or you can choose an extreme setting.
And I won't go nowhere without you. I designed my life around you. I won't go.
And of course, you can mix and match between the retune speed and the humanized setting to get the exact sound that you're looking for. For me, I'm thinking we're going to go with a medium retune speed and maximum humanized for this. Let's listen.
And I won't go nowhere without you. I designed my